What's going on YouTube, and welcome back to our channel here at Vagabond Builds. And today we're going to be doing an air filter change and a cabin air filter change on a 2015 GMC Yukon SLT trim package, but it should work for the different trims in these exact body styles or years. So keep that in mind. So we're going to start off with the air box or the air cleaner filter that's under the hood. And the tools that you're going to be needing, I mean, I have my electric drill, but you don't have to have that, as too many don't. You could just use a small little ratchet just like this one, an extension, and a size 10 socket to take off. So you have 4 screws on that air cleaner box. You got, each screw is in one of the corners. And we're going to be switching our socket because one of the screws were not original, and mine's a size 7. But for the sake of the video, I got that ready. We're going to pop off the MAF sensor by clicking up on that red thing. We're going to pop that plug out. Or press down on that tab, there you go. Pops out. We're gonna also, sometimes you're gonna have to loosen this screw here to get that top of that air cleaner box out. And we're gonna remove also, I see that this is not allowing this cap to pop out. So there's a little clip right here. Just like that. You can pull it out with your hand. That goes here from this clip into that little hole. Then you just kind of wiggle it out. And that opens up the air cleaner filter box. And of course, this one is very dirty, like old filters. Let me get the other one, the brand new one from the car. And this is the new one right here, Wix. You could get this at your nearest O'Reilly, AutoZone, CarQuest Auto Parts, Advanced Auto Parts, depending on which state you're in. I'm gonna go ahead and put that back in, and you're just gonna follow the steps that you did. And remember, if things aren't fitting into place or you feel things aren't falling, don't get frustrated or push those things against something. Just check out, make sure that everything's falling beautiful into place. In this case, it worked really well. We're gonna put the 4 screws back in at every corner. And this, you wanna kind of get a feel for it because it is plastic, so you don't wanna strip the tread on the plastic box, because a lot of people will do that. And because I'm using an electric tool, you wanna just feel it, get a feel for it. There you go. And that is pretty much the way you finish off changing the air cleaner box on a 2015 GMC Yukon SLT. Let's go ahead and head over to the air cabin filter in this inside of the car. So now we're on the inside passenger front of this 2015 Yukon GMC, and we are going to be doing the cabin filter. And the cabin filter is located right behind the glove box. So if you go ahead and open up that glove box, and this glove box, what you're gonna have to do is you're gonna have to squeeze the sides of the glove box so this can pop down, just like that, because you have these two little pins right and left that sit inside the grooves of the dashboard. And that'll drop. Make sure you clean out your glove compartment, because everything would just kind of topple over and fall. And then you have 3 screws, and the screws that you're gonna be taking off, they are a Torque 15 head screw. So you have one on the left, we got 2 more up top. It's gonna be a total of 6 screws, I believe. And this cap should pop right out. Just that. Now that opens up to you the cabin air filter cap here, right under the dashboard. And you're gonna remove that cap itself. And by removing that cap is you have a clip up top where you kind of have to pull that tongue back on the right and the left side. You kind of have to fit your fingers in there. And that cap pops right off. So these are the tongues that you got to pull back, and this will pop out. Then it opens up to you the cabin air filter. Oh, a little bit messy. And this is very dirty. So remember guys, change it more often. And you can get this cabin air filter, like I said, at your nearest Advanced Auto Parts, O'Reilly, AutoZone, CarQuest, wherever you're at, Rabies, Napa. So we're gonna go ahead and install this one. And that should slide just right in, just like that. Very nice. Made in China, beautiful. We love things in China. No, we don't. But what we're gonna do is just kind of follow the steps of, I clean the cap off, of putting this back into place. Now you're gonna have to kind of, once you're putting this cap back in, you're gonna have to put these in on the bottom first and then just swing it closed and make sure you hear the clip. Now, I'm having a little bit of a hard time because that bottom right one is not going in. So having a little bit of, there you go. Perfect. And you will hear the clip on the left and the right. And we're pretty much done with that. We're gonna go ahead and reinstall the cap, glove compartment cap. Remember, you have kind of 2 little clips here on the top. You wanna kind of click those in also. We'll hear that click. And we're going to reinstall the Torque 15 screws. And we're doing the last one. You don't want to over tighten them. You know, they're just very nice snug screws just to kind of keep this plastic cap open. I mean, on top, enclosed. So guys, we're pretty much done with the change to both filters. If you have any questions, concerns, let us know. Pretty straight to the point, easy. You can get those, like I said, filters nearest auto parts store. Let us know any comments, questions, concerns in the comment section below. But we thank you guys so much for watching our channel here at Vagabond Builds. Again, thanks.